All right, welcome to Toivo Healing from Within. My name is Craig Norton, and this is a Taos Native American log drum. And this was a gift from my friend Bill, who was sadly taken from us by leukemia. But he gifted me with this amazing, amazing drum. It's made in Taos, New Mexico, out of a log, right? And these last week or two have been a challenging week for the trees here in Connecticut. And last Tuesday we had this hurricane that kind of was a pain in the butt because it knocked out all our power and internet, and but it took thousands of trees from us in Connecticut, and there are millions left still standing, and trees are a very sacred object to me, and I feel the connection, and was out on my front porch during the storm sending out Reiki to the trees, and luckily we hardly lost anything on our street. There's something about the connection between trees and each other, like how interactive the trees are. They support each other, they protect each other. Underground, their root networks are communicating and helping each other out. And there are interspecies relationships in the forest. The mushrooms and the insects and the birds and the critters that live among the trees, in the trees, they all work together. There is cooperation and genuine connection going on, symbiotic connection. So I give thanks to the trees for their protection and for their beauty, and this song is for the trees. How about that cameo appearance by Abby? She knows when I'm on camera. All right, Poochie, good girl. You sit and stay? Yes. So, that one's for the trees, and that one's for Bill, and that one's for you. I hope you can see the trees from a different perspective now. Aho.